Daisy, Eat Your Peas by Kes Gray, illustrated by Nick Sherratt, published by Red Fox for Penguin, narrated by Mr. Ron. It was dinner time again, and Daisy knew what her mum was going to say before she'd even said it. "Eat your peas," said Mum. Daisy looked down at her little green balls that were ganging up on her plate. "I don't like peas," said Daisy. Mum sighed one of her usual sighs. "If you eat your peas, you can have some pudding," said Mum. "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, you can have some pudding and you can stay up for an extra hour." "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, you can have some pudding, stay up for an extra half an hour, and you can skip your bath." "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, you can have 10 puddings, stay up really late, you don't have to wash for 2 whole months, and I'll buy you a new bike." "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, you can have 48 puddings, stay up past midnight, you'll never have to wash again. I'll buy you 2 new bikes and a baby elephant." "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, you can have 100 puddings. You can go to bed when you want, wash when you want, do what you want when you want. I'll buy you 10 new bikes, 2 pet elephants, 3 zebras, a penguin and a chocolate factory." "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, I'll buy you a supermarket stacked full of puddings. You never have to go to bed again, ever, or school again. You never have to wash or brush your hair or clean your shoes or tidy your bedroom. I'll buy you a bike shop, a zoo, 10 chocolate factories. I'll take you to Superland for a week, and you can have your very own space rocket with double retro laser blammers." "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, I'll buy you every supermarket, sweet shop, toy shop and bike shop in the world, 17 swimming pools. You never have to go to bed again, or school, or wash, or brush your hair, or clean your shoes, or clean your teeth, or clean your hamster out, or tidy your bedroom, or put videos in yourself, or get dressed. I'll buy you Africa and 92 chocolate factories. We'll move to Superland. You can have all the space rockets you want. I'll buy you the Earth, the Moon, the stars, the Sun, and a new fluffy pencil case." "You really want me to eat my peas, don't you?" said Daisy. "Yes," said Mum. "I'll eat my peas if you eat your Brussels," said Daisy. Mum looked down at her own plate, and her bottom lip began to wobble. "But I don't like Brussels," said Mum. "Exactly," said Daisy. "You don't like Brussels and I don't like peas. But we both like pudding." Daisy, Eat Your Peas by Kes Gray and Nick Sherratt, narrated by Mr. Ron.